Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to share an Instagram story. Share a story to your story. There are various ways to share another people's Instagram story. However, there are also rules when doing so. Let's get started. First step is open your Instagram app and then tap on a message icon in the upper right corner. Open a tagging notification you received when they were tagged in story. Then tap on add to your story. Then select send to post into your own. Select all the settings you want to. Then publish the story as normal is the bottom right. Then select tab your story. The last step is done. Now, this post will appear in your profile for 24 hours before disappearing like the rest.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.